Welcome back to Garage Matters. This is going to be a quick one. This is basically just driving around recording this vehicle with this Insta360 cam right here attached to this tripod mount on the rear glass. I'm going to see if we can get some good footage in this GT4. And as far as the audio, the wireless mic right here, right where the exhaust is. So hopefully we can get some good footage with this camera on this GT4. So let's go ahead, hop inside this vehicle and get rolling. Alright, we are back in the garage now. What did you guys think of the audio and video from that Insta360 cam back there that was mounted on this vehicle? Hopefully it came out good, because I do want to do more videos of that 360 cam with this 4Runner and my other vehicles. Just driving around town and going off-road with them to get different vantage points for some content. Now take a look at this boom right here. This boom is extended about 5 feet long, and I had no issues with this boom flying off. I was driving the speed limit on the interstate, and take a look at that. It's this wobbly, and I had no issues with this boom coming off. Now down here on the suction cups, it does look like one of these suction cups is starting to lose suction, and you can tell because of the white line right here. When you press it in, it's gonna disappear. So that's how you know that these suction cups are holding suction. This one up here was fine, and this one over here is fine too. So even though this one was losing suction, this entire boom right here was flapping around like this, and I had no issues at all with this suction cup system keeping this 360 cam mounted onto this video. Now that's gonna do it this time for Garage Matters. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and join us next time on Garage Matters.